Are you ready to dominate the educational landscape and define what the future of biomedical science and cybersecurity will look like? The Chino Valley Unified School District is excited to invite you to explore a revolutionary educational experience at the Biomedical Science and Technology Academy at Chino High School, where you can be your best. Our tuition-free competitive magnet program combines traditional coursework with specialized classes and trailblazing curriculum that prepares BST students for their collegiate studies and a rewarding career. Beginning as freshmen, BST students will complete a rigorous 4-year academic program that emphasizes mastery, encourages leadership, and provides remarkable opportunities. First-year BST students will be immersed in a robust course of study intended to pique their interests and guide them to following their passion by selecting one of 2 revolutionary branches of specialization: biomedical science and cybersecurity. BST's one-of-a-kind groundbreaking biomedical science branch is a profound cross-disciplinary program with a concentration in artificial intelligence driven by math, science, and neurology. Through a hands-on approach, students pull ahead of the competition in this emerging field by mastering research dexterities that allow for the application of solutions to real-world problems. As a graduate of BST's cybersecurity branch, students are empowered to become an integral part of a highly sought-after group of experts that are at the helm of keeping domestic and international networks and information systems safe and secure. Are you ready to stay ahead of a transforming world and set the bar for a changing educational landscape? Then connect with us at the Biomedical Science and Technology Academy at Chino High School. Mark your calendars to join us for an upcoming BST Parent Connection meeting to learn more about the application window opening October 18, or visit www.chino.k12.ca.us/BST Academy to complete a BST interest form and read about the advantages of becoming a BST scholar and joining a growing legacy of high-performing professionals. We can't wait for you to begin your adventure to investigating, innovating, and inventing an exceptional tomorrow. Be your best at the Biomedical Science and Technology Academy at Chino High School.